In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize widgets in a Monday.com dashboard. To get started, open the Monday.com dashboard you want to edit. Make sure you're in the correct dashboard before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or project views. Taking a moment to confirm this now can help you avoid editing the wrong dashboard later. Once the dashboard is open, look for the Add Widget option and click it. This is where you'll begin building out the dashboard with the visual tools that help display your data more clearly. Widgets are useful because they turn board information into easy-to-read summaries, charts, schedules, and reports, making the dashboard much more practical for tracking progress at a glance. And after that, choose the type of widget you want to add. Monday.com offers several common options, including chart, battery, numbers, timeline, calendar, and table widgets. Each one serves a different purpose. For example, a chart widget is helpful for visual comparisons, a numbers widget is great for totals or high-level metrics, a timeline widget helps you see project duration, and a calendar widget is useful for date-based planning. Pick the one that best matches the kind of information you want to highlight. Next, select the board data the widget should use. This step connects the widget to the relevant board so it can pull in the correct information. And be careful to choose the right board, especially if your dashboard is meant to summarize data from a specific team, project, or workflow. Once the data source is selected, adjust the filters and display settings. This is where you control exactly what the widget shows and how it appears. Depending on the widget, you may be able to narrow the results by status, date range, group, person, or other criteria. You can also fine-tune the display so the information is easier to read and more useful for the people viewing the dashboard. After customizing the widget, arrange the widgets on the dashboard. Move them into positions that make sense visually and functionally. A clean layout can make a big difference, especially if the dashboard will be shared with a team or used regularly in meetings. Try to place the most important information where it's easy to spot first. Finally, save your changes and review the dashboard layout. Take one last look to make sure each widget is displaying the right data and that the overall dashboard feels organized and easy to understand. Once everything looks good, your dashboard is ready to use.